Hello friends, welcome back. It is Vlogmas Day 21 and I thought for today's video I would show you a little behind the scenes on how I shoot my own Instagram photos. As a full-time content creator, I'm constantly shooting my own content. I'm going to show you exactly how I set up my camera, my equipment, my lights, the software I use. So I did my makeup like very blushy today, very e-girl inspired, and I thought it was like a fun twist on the traditional, New Year's Eve sparkle glam look. All the camera equipment will be linked down below. I use the same camera, lights, software, and setup for shooting my own YouTube videos at home as well. I will also insert the finished photos that we shoot from today. I have a faux fur blanket, faux fur pillow, and then I have some fairy lights. And this is going to be my little backdrop because I wanted the backdrop to be minimal because the makeup is the star of the show today. This is what I am looking at. My camera is on a tripod, and then I have a LED panel light that's also on a tripod. Then I have a MacBook Air. And then I have my lip gloss and like a little compact mirror just so I can make sure my makeup's looking good. And on this computer, I run the Canon utility software. And there is a USB cable connecting my computer. I use the Canon SL1. It's an older camera, so it doesn't have Bluetooth shutter on it. That is why I use the Canon software. And it's just easier because there is no external viewfinder. This is what it looks like behind the camera. And I use the laptop, so I use the computer to see if I'm in focus or not and control the shutter. So I have everything in manual mode. Those are my settings for today. So this is what the software looks like. You can see it's real time. So I can also change my camera settings here, like shutter, ISO, f-stop, everything right there. We're just clicking this in the corner. And then we have a brief little countdown. This will be our test photo. There is our test photo we just shot. Hey, that one's not half bad. That one isn't half bad. So for every photo little session I do, I like to have like a little compact mirror on standby, a teasing brush, and a lip product just so I can quickly fix my makeup and my hair should I need to do that. And so today's theme is like kind of like holiday, makeup, glam. I never do my makeup like this. It's very like e-girl, very blushy, very TikTok, very Gen Z. Okay, so my prop today is this little set of fairy lights. These are like a cool white set of fairy lights. You can get these anywhere. Target usually has a bunch this time of year. And I've done some shots of me kind of like tangling the lights around, and that looks kind of fun, kind of a little creative. These photos will be cropped to a 4:5 aspect ratio, optimized for Instagram and my blog and also Pinterest. I know that I'm going to be using just this center portion of the frame. So I might want to try a few where I have my body twisted to create some fun depth of field. And I might even want to try like stringing the lights to my camera to create a fun depth of field vibe. I'm gonna put these around the light. And again around my neck. And making sure we're still in focus. This looks so cool. Check this out. I've never done this before. That looks so dope. Let's try it out. So I think this is the shot I want to go for. I'm gonna try it and I'll be back with the results. Finished the first round of photos. I decided I wanted to change lenses. This is my 85, and let me show you the difference of how the shots look with this lens versus the last lens. Look at the depth of field of this. It's like way different than the last one. Last one was more of a wide angle and we were zoomed all the way in, whereas this one, you can't zoom in or out. It's a prime lens. So this is kind of the look we get, and you get that crazy depth of field bokeh effect with these lights. All right, it is a wrap. Let me show you some of the shots we got. I'm gonna import these And you can really see the difference, the first lens versus the second lens. Okay, so now I am culling the pictures on my computer. Sometimes I just export directly onto my iPhone. So I will tag my favorites on my computer and then I will airdrop the best ones to my phone to be edited. We shot 111 photos and I've narrowed it down to 15 that I've imported to my phone for editing. This is the finished shot. I just edit my photos with Google Snapseed. It's a free app. I've been using it for I want to say 6 or 7, maybe more years. It's the best. I just do some light brightening, adjusting the tones and contrast, lifting the shadows just a little bit, and I do light healing and blurring on the skin, but only where I need it. You can still clearly see my skin's texture in this photo. I like it to be really realistic, so I don't edit my photos too much. So that's a wrap. I'm going to show you the before and after, the raw photo versus the edited photo here. You're going to see it on my Instagram. Make sure you go follow me over there. And yeah, that's how I shoot my own photos for Instagram and my blog. If you have any questions, leave them down below. All the equipment used will be linked down below as well. The most time-consuming part is literally setting up and getting yourself in focus. After that, it's a lot of fun. You can put on some music. So I'm going to clean up my mess now, get this video out, and thank you again for watching. Make sure you subscribe because I am doing Vlogmas this month, uploading every single day leading up to Christmas. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I will see you very soon in the next one.